Okay, Julian, Motocar here again. We're going to do a quick kind of conceptual tutorial on how to install one of these harnesses. Naturally, it's going to be different for every vehicle. The general concept is the same. I would probably recommend either hitting up YouTube for tutorials on how to take the radio out of your specific vehicle. But in general, the way it works is you have this trim panel that covers the radio here. Usually you use some kind of pry tool, flat panel, credit card, screwdriver. Pry this panel out. You can see these are the spots where, in this particular vehicle, it's a Chevy Suburban. The panel will just pop off with a screwdriver. And then you have screws holding in the radio control, access panels, any kind of auxiliary here at the bottom. Pull the screws out. And then all you do is, see if I can do this without blocking you guys. Pull the radio out. Now on the side here, these are going to be your radio connections. This one I already know is the speaker connection for this vehicle, so we unplug it. Take our harness. Plug it into this harness. So now you're left with our harness connected to the male end of the OEM harness. And now you just take the male end of our harness, plug it back into the radio. And that's it. So now you're ready for your RCA connections. I've already got them running this vehicle. Got them here. So now we connect the RCAs. Connected like so. You would tuck all your equipment back in. And then we'll reinstall the radio like that. So in this particular vehicle, there is no remote turn-on wire in the harness as you saw. So with this particular vehicle, we also include an add-a-fuse circuit and a spool of wire. And that usually will get installed in here, fuse box. So for this particular vehicle, you're going to want to install it, really in any vehicle, you want to install it on any circuit that turns on and off with the vehicle that maybe isn't a sensitive circuit. So you're not going to want to install this on your airbag circuit. Pick things like radio, rear seat entertainment, sometimes power mirrors, wipers. A lot of that functionality turns on and off with the vehicle. Totally suitable for your amp turn on. And here, we're going to use the rear seat entertainment. So this is the add-a-fuse circuit that comes with this particular harness. Again, not all will have this. Basically, you just pull the fuse out from the circuit you want to use, install it in here, crimp the remote turn-on wire to it, and then reinstall this guy back into the fuse box. So in this one, he was installed right here. Right there. So now you will turn on, this guy will turn on and off with the vehicle, and you can see we've got it run. Naturally, you're going to tuck it in the panel, but conceptually, yeah, you just tuck it in the panels. This car, amp's going under the seat. So you can see we've got some of the power wire and the RC is already run. So we'll connect the remote wire under the seat with the amp, and we rock and roll. Any questions? Please post a comment. Hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, or on YouTube under the same username. We're a Motocar, M-O-T-O-C-A-R-R. Again, happy to help. Thanks, guys.